the pioneers designed that, but the ambience, the students, the kind of energy they had. I still remember it had a long and huge impact, and it was an impetus for me as an individual to think and have a wish list that I wish we could have more GIKs. My complete appreciation for the people who envisioned such an institute. Such an creation of such entities is primarily, I think so, linked with the designs and the goals and the objective of the creation of Pakistan. Pakistan was created to have such places. Otherwise, we could have probably lived in any geographical arrangement. But a geography of our own, where we could translate the vision to our own future generation, where we could provide them the opportunities to develop not just for themselves and their families, but in the comity of nations and have their own distinction. I had a prepared statement, but when I saw these young faces, I changed the plan, and I just wanted to speak extempore with you. Just a heart-to-heart talk. Whenever I go to an educational institution, a chapter of Quran is reminded to me, and that is Surah Baqarah. And I keep on telling this story to everyone and try to bring it into the context. There is a conversation between God and angels in Surah Baqarah when He speaks and informs them about having a new entity and a new creation of Adam. And there is a bone of contention on the part of the angels, and they're a bit baffled that why are you creating this one? I mean, we're already here to appreciate you, praise you, speak of you in deep reverence. And in reply, in a surprising manner, God, instead of telling them why is He doing this, He raises a question and asks Adam to name these things. This is His reply. And I've been always thinking about it, that why did He encourage Adam in that first place to say something? And sooner or later I just try to find out that it was not the ability of naming which was important. Of course it was, but prior to that, the ability to think, the ability to conceptualize, and then name that concepts, create nouns, create language, create knowledge. And that was the initiation of that journey for which Adam was created. So you are primarily doing that job of objectivity of the divine purpose, in my opinion. The knowledge was created here through divine inspiration, and the skill which was designed was of language, to express it. Initially in the verbal communication, then documented in the written communication, passed on from one generation to another generation, and here we are talking about artificial intelligence, big data, and still the journey is ongoing. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी है. The universe is not a finished product. It is not the bottle of Coca-Cola. It's the process of creativity is ongoing. You respond to a challenge of nature, you conquer it, you have it, and here you go, you have another one. You get through that, you have full authority and control over it, and you have another one. So that is the indefinite journey of mankind. And I'm so pleased that in this entire larger picture of the universe, a small humble contribution is being done by Pakistan through its tool and arm of GIK. I once again commend all the great work which the pioneers have done, which the later on the people and the generation who took over that role, they have done, and still the people who are doing it. The most important element amongst them, I probably feel, is the faculty, and my deep appreciation for them, and the future faculty who's sitting over here probably as undergrads. Not just faculty, but in different roles. Pakistan takes pride in you. We will stand by whatever initiatives you as an institution take, and I, in my humble capacity, would try to contribute in this larger noble cause of having a replica of this institution in many other areas. Initially, it is being thought of to be in Islamabad. I feel all the provinces deserve that they should have a campus of GIK throughout the country. That diversification would help us, that diversification would help you, and it is the way forward, and I think so. That is the pathway we should be committed to. I will limit my speech over here, and I think so give more opportunity to the interactive section. That is more required, and that is more appreciated wherever I go. I think so I should curtail this and then go straight to the Q&A session. Shall we start that? Thank you so much.